Bitcoin is about to create a massive move because we are about to get our CPI and inflation data in the coming 2 days already. And as you can see on this chart, this information has been very important for the Bitcoin price. And alongside with this fact, we are also forming a new symmetrical triangle. And as I shared on my Twitter profile, yesterday we were forming some kind of a different symmetrical triangle, but of course I said on my Twitter profile, I'm not going to lie, I liked this structure being created even better. And right now we are creating this symmetrical triangle. It is looking very good, and this breakout is going to be huge because on the larger picture as well, we are forming a stage of very low volatility right now, and all of the time, whenever we are forming a stage of low volatility, right after that we can be seeing volatility returning in towards the market and a massive move being created. So right now we are going to be expecting the same thing happening. A massive move is going to be imminent, probably because of the CPI and inflation data that we will be getting this week. What we are currently seeing in the market is this symmetrical triangle being formed. And this is very important because whenever we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, at the same time, we are also going to be breaking above this very massive resistance level. And whenever we can be breaking above that resistance level, well, we are definitely going to be seeing a huge spike and a huge pump towards the upside. This is going to be so massive for the Bitcoin price. And whenever we are going to be doing that, well, definitely, I do think we are going to be breaking back towards the 31k resistance level. And whenever we can be doing that, well, of course, we are forming these massive patterns. Of course, we are forming this bull flag pattern towards the upside. We are having this massive resistance. We are forming this double bottom pattern that eventually will be breaking out towards the upside, and we are also forming this cup and handle pattern. So then we will need to break above this 31k resistance level, and whenever we can be doing that and we can be breaking above this resistance level, well, then surely we are going to be seeing 40k level getting reached in no time. So right now we can basically all agree that it is depending on this breakout. It is all depending on this symmetrical triangle. If we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, we are going to be getting our major momentum towards the upside because of this kickstart we are getting. And potentially our expected inflation rate numbers, our consensus and forecast, in my opinion, is looking quite good. Because having a look into what's the core inflation rate, well, it is expected to decrease with about 0.2%. And that is very good because the Federal Reserve is really looking into what's the core inflation rate. That is a number they can easily control, and it is right now decreasing. So the rate hikes are having an effect on the inflation rate, and that is what the Federal Reserve wants to be seeing. Now the inflation rate, the normal one, the CPI, is expected to stay at about these numbers it is currently sitting at. So that is of course not very good, but the core inflation rate is the most important number, and that one is expected to decrease. And as you can be seeing on this chart as well, every single time we got these numbers getting released, we saw major market volatility right after. Right here we saw an insane spike towards the upside. Right here, right after, we saw this continued dump, and right here the real dump just started right after. Right here it was the start of the huge bounce back towards the upside, and right now we are getting our numbers getting released once again. And at the same time, we are seeing our Bollinger Band squeezing up the Bitcoin price. We are very, very close towards these all-time lows of our Bollinger Bands indicator that is screaming like volatility is about to come in towards the market. So that is looking very good. So be on high alert. Right now, there's not a lot of things happening, but right now is the time to be preparing yourself in the market, because whenever this move will be happening, it will catch everyone off guard. And you want to be the one that is already prepared for this move that is about to come. So make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And if you want to know more about what is going on right now in the market and what I do expect, make sure to watch yesterday's today's video, because there I will be going more in depth what I exactly think about the market currently. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in another update video tomorrow morning.